This is how you're going to give different color and specific text in Elementor. So first, we're going to drag an element, which is the text editor. So make sure that you are on your Elementor website editor. And then on the left side panel, you can just scroll down until you reach the basic section. From here, you're just going to drag over the text editor over to your page, wherever you want to put it. And then, for example, we add it right here. And then from the content tab right here, still at the left side panel, we're just going to look for this text color setting. We're just going to select the text that we want to change the color of. So for example, I want to change the color of this ipsum text. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to select it. I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to click on the text color and then select the text color where in which I want to change it to. So for example, I want to change it into pink, and as you can see, the changes has been applied right here. Now if you can see these settings, you just have to click on this toolbar toggle. If you just see this one-liner right here, you can just click on this toolbar toggle so that all of the settings can be viewed. And that's it. That is how you're going to give a different color and a specific text in Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.